Hello developers, yes you guessed right. Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella just dropped a bombshell. GitHub Copilot is now free for individual developers.
Hi there. We have some very exciting updates to share for our GitHub community. I'm super energized about this. Today, we are fusing the world's most popular AI developer tool, GitHub Copilot, with the world's most popular editor, VS Code. And we're offering a free version to more than 150 million developers who use GitHub.
That's right. The AI powered coding assistant that writes code for you is now accessible to everybody free. Let's dive into what it means and how you can supercharge your coding experience today. You must have an updated version of VS Code installed. If not, you can go ahead and install a VS Code. So the minimum version of VS Code needs to be November 2024. The exact version is version 1.96. As you can see in the release notes, this version includes a GitHub Copilot free. So I have already installed the new version. Now let's do the sign up, how you can start using the GitHub Copilot. So in VS Code, you see this icon. You can click on this icon. It will open a chat window on the left side or on the right side depending upon the configuration in your VS Code. And you see this button, use Copilot for free. So you need to just sign up for the free tier of the GitHub Copilot. If you click on it, it might open a browser for you, so that you need to log into your GitHub account and then complete the sign up process. That's it. Okay, since I was already signed into my GitHub account, so that's why it did not open a browser for me. It just completed the sign up, and now the GitHub Copilot is ready to be used. So this Copilot has two mode. One is called edit mode, another one is called chat mode. In chat mode, you can just talk to the Copilot. Hi, how are you? You can plan your project. And in edit mode, you can actually ask it to make changes to the files, and it will make changes. Now let's build something with the help of Copilot. So I will first use chat mode. I will ask Copilot chat. So I wanted to create a basic Mario web game with just one screen. The basic feature include moving Mario forward and backward, and jumping with the arrow keys. So Copilot has given me a plan, I need to create a directory Mario web game, inside that src folder, inside src assets, css, javascript, and then an index.html file, and this and that. So I will click on create workspace. It will actually ask me to create a workspace. So I will go to desktop. I have a folder there for development, and I have a personal folder, and I will create a workspace here. So here I will create a folder, and let's say call it Copilot workspace. Okay, let's create it and select as a parent folder. Now this is creating all those files inside that folder, which all those files has been created. Now it is asking me to open that folder which Copilot just created here in the VS Code. So I click open. You see that folder is opened here, and it has the same file structure which it proposed earlier, src. It has a assets file, it has a Mario sprite file, which is not correct maybe, but okay, css folder, javascript folder, and a html file. So pretty basic stuff. Now we can run this project. How we can run? We need to open a terminal. Okay, so we are in the Mario web game. I need to just first install the dependencies. So npm install. Okay, so the installation is done. Now I need to run npm start. So my application is running on port 8080, and as you can see, my application is also running here. So right now it has nothing, it has a blank canvas and with the white background. So let's fix this problem first. First of all, inside assets, this Mario sprite is not working. So let's download a Mario character file from the internet. So this is a web browser. Okay, let me search Mario and click on images, and yeah, looks like this image looks good, or maybe I will search a transparent Mario. Okay, so this one looks good. So I will copy and save image as, and I will call it like Mario, and this is in the downloads folder. Okay, so let's go to the downloads folder. Okay, so it's downloaded as JPG for now. All right, so let's copy this file, go to desktop, go to our project. Inside personal we have a Copilot workspace and Mario web game, and inside assets, and we just need to paste this file here. So mario.jpg, I will delete this file. Now use this Mario character in our game. So I will ask Copilot to fix the issue. As you can see, we have one index file which just displays our HTML, and in this HTML you see we have a canvas, HTML canvas, and we have two scripts file. These are the JavaScript file where our game logic is written. These files are here. So everything is in these two files, and the basic CSS is in styles file. I will go to Copilot. Right now I am in the chat mode. I will go to the edit mode, and I will just drag and drop these two files here. This one, and I need to drop mario.js, and I will remove this index file. Okay, I will ask right now our game is not displaying Mario character. Use the new asset file for Mario, that is mario.jpeg. So it's applied the changes. It have made the changes in Mario file. Okay, path to mario.jpeg, we need to edit that path. This one is now correct. I will accept the changes, save them, and we have a Mario file. There are no changes. I will also save this file here. Okay, so server is restarted already. Let's go and check if those changes are made. So now the Mario character, you can see, is displaying on the screen. I can press the up key, it's jumping. I can press the forward key, it's jumping. I can press the back key and it's moving. So it's just a basic game. So you get the idea how much things you can accomplish with this tool. Okay, now so we have a basic working Mario game. Please wait. Let me introduce one last Copilot feature before you go. So on this terminal, you don't have to remember the commands now. AI will help you do that. So I will use the GitHub Copilot feature. You need to press Command I on Mac or Control I on Windows, and then you just write in plain English what you want to do on the terminal. So let's say I want to clean up my project. I want to delete node modules folder in the current directory, and then run the command npm install. Okay, so it has given you the command. You can just run it, or you can insert it on the terminal and run it by yourself. And if the command does not look good, you can just ask AI to update the command. So for me, command looks good. I will run it here, and you see the node modules folder will be deleted, and it created once again with the help of npm install. So this becomes very handy now to run or accomplish things through the terminal, um, and yet you don't need to remember anything. Thank you so much. I hope you will use the GitHub Copilot in your project, and let me know in the comments what are the other feature you like in GitHub Copilot. Thank you.